Hey guys, welcome to the GRE Math Show. My name is Dr. Jide. So today we'll be talking about exponents on GRE Math. To better explain exponents to you, I have a question I would like you to solve first. 4 raised to the power of 3 plus 4 raised to the power of 3 plus 4 raised to the power of 3 plus 4 raised to the power of 3. What's the answer? Before you go on, I have a condition. Don't use a calculator and give me the answer in an exponent form. So something raised to the power of something. So 2 conditions. First, don't use a calculator, and secondly, give me the answer in an exponent form. Alright, pause this video and work the question and let me know what you get in the comments. Alright, so why did I tell you not to solve it without a calculator and using and giving it to me in a specific format? Because on the GRE you have less than a minute, maybe like 30 seconds to answer a question, and if you spend your time punching your calculator, you are wasting time and you will not be able to get to other questions. You might not finish the exam. So GRE math is about speed and accuracy. So what I will be teaching you today is how to solve those kind of questions without having to use a calculator, and you will still get your answer accurately. Alright, so I repeat the question again. 4 to the power of 3 plus 4 to the power of 3 plus 4 to the power of 3 plus 4 to the power of 3. Alright, now if you had solved that question by following a law of exponents that you may have learned in high school, where if they have the same base, you add the exponents together, that would be wrong. Okay, that would be wrong, because you only do that rule when you are multiplying exponents, not when you are adding. So if the question was 4 raised to the power 3 times 4 raised to the power 3 times 4 raised to the power 3 times 4 raised to the power 3, then you can do 4 to the power of 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. That will be 4 to the power of 12. Alright, but in this question you cannot do that. That will be wrong. Alright, so then you ask, Dr. Jide, what do I do? Alright, here's what you do. Now, first thing is you have to realize that 4 raised to the power 3 is common across all the 4, right? So you do a factorization. So then you do 4 raised to the power 3, then you open a bracket. Each of them, 4 raised to the power 3 divided by 4 raised to the power 3 is 1. So that would be 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Alright, so that's 4 raised to the power 3, open a parenthesis, 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. I just factorized the original question. Alright, so solve what is in your parenthesis. 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals what? 4. Right? So now 4 times 4 raised to the power 3. Now 4 on its own has an exponent of 1. Alright, so it's just the same thing as saying 4 raised to the power 1 times 4 raised to the power 3. So then you can now use the rule of exponents, where if you are multiplying 2 exponents that have the same base, then you can add their indices, their exponents together. So that will be 4 raised to the power 1 plus 3, and the answer will be 4 raised to the power 4. So that's a simple way of solving 4 raised to the power 3 plus 4 raised to the power 3 plus 4 raised to the power 3 plus 4 raised to the power 3. The answer is 4 raised to the power of 4. Alright, please go ahead and subscribe to YouTube, to our YouTube channel to get more notifications. Thank you so much for watching. If you've not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you on the next episode.